Hello YouTubers and welcome to another video. Recently purchased this radio off Amazon. I'll show you the front of the box, then the back of the box, or side of the box perhaps. I really like this radio. It's a pretty nice radio. So, Midland, stepping up your game, Midland. I like it. Restaurants, retail stores, hospitality, vacations, small businesses. Since, in fact, it is a business band radio. Which happens to be right here. This one's pretty cool. Now, as the manual goes, this is your default frequencies, privacy tones. I turn those off so I can hear everything within that frequency. This is your frequency table. And it covers 99 business frequencies. You can only scan 4 at a time. But I tell you what's nice about this radio. I just turn off scan. I'm sure none of you retailers and stuff know about the CRS series, as they're pretty popular. You know. Have to push the top button there. This one is a made for Midland. Push to talk is on the front here. Red light means you're transmitting. So this is a business band radio, UHF frequency bands. I was about to say VHF, but it doesn't cover VHF, it covers UHF. This one receives weather and weather alerts. Oops, didn't mean to knock that, I meant to. So you get your weather. Those weather alerts. Just scan it on the side here. If you want me to go over more about this radio, please leave comments down below. Tell you what, this thing is pretty dang small, and not like none of your business radios. I mean, it's my size of my hand. Yeah, hands are a little dirty, huh? Fingernails gotta be clean. But this is a pretty nice radio from Midland. I'm gonna do a comparison here, side by side, of a CRS radio and a Midland BR180 business band radio. I'll tell you what, I'll show you the box. Packaging here. Dang it. Packaging here, like just where the radio went, battery, the charger, you know, that type of stuff. Earpiece, give you a lanyard. But I was just excited just to use it. This radio. Test it out, what have you. Just going back in the manual here. All for your radio needs: battery, drop-in charger. So it's a desktop charger. This one's good if you have multiple, like 6 unit. But I tell you what, this radio is pretty nice. And I mean, it's just like the 14, 10, which only covers what? Well, 56 business frequencies. But again, you can only scan 4 frequencies at a time on a CRS radio. But I tell you what I do like is the VL50, because that actually scans 8 channels at a time. Alright, so here's a VL50. If you can find a VL50 on eBay, I say buy it. Well, your frequencies are different. Now, basically, up here was a used radio I previously bought off eBay. And you can see on old Talk About radios, which are your FRS and GMRS radios. So, this Radius VL50 actually talks on some of the FRS, GMRS channels. And the other thing is, as far as frequencies go, covers what, I think 48 frequencies? Hold on. Alright, I stand corrected. 56 frequencies. But, let me turn on the light here. Stand by. So the VL50, so like channel 1, code 1, like I can change all that. I actually put it back in the factory just so I can show you guys. But it covers 8 frequencies, which, you know, you could change. Scan. So scan actually 8 channels, frequencies. Like some of the business radios might only scan it, say 6 frequencies at a time. Okay, well. And then just go and leave that. Code 1, turn it off. Code 2, code 1, turn it off. I do it just to listen to businesses strictly. I mean, if you know the frequencies, using a frequency counter or a scanner, and you just want to be, you know, discreet. And, you know, use one of these radios to, you know, listen in to your, you know, local stores. I still gotta mess with it, but yeah. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.